Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy and you're highly welcome. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, so if you haven't already watched my previous video, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and watch it and see if you can make yourself this week and come back to this video. So I posted this video on Instagram and I got about 11,000 views without promotion, guys. So I thought you guys might like it, so I decided to make a tutorial on it. So what you will need is these wig caps, full lace wigs, either kinky straight or straight. So for this hairstyle I chose kinky straight because it has our hair texture. I already started making the wig. Yeah, let me show you how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I made 3 of the faux locks, how I made it flexible and so long, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You should even give me a thumbs up before watching this video. I'm not joking with you. So let's go to the first stage. It has 3 different stages. It takes time, so but if you want something, you have to create time for it. So you need this marley hair. First you will tie a knot to it. Look as I'm doing. You tie a knot and then the shorter part you have to separate it into 3. Like you want to braid your hair, separate it into 3. Oh, I forgot, guys. I forgot to tell you that, guys, that I dialed the wig cap. You can see that it's brown. Yeah, I had to dye it to match the faux locks, the marley hair, sorry. So I separated the head into 3. Now I have to braid the wig, the wig, yeah. Some of you might want to know why I separated the marley hair, like I tied the loop or the knot. I will undo it later, but I just wanted to make sure I separate it from disturbing me when I'm braiding the hair. I mean, you just see. I will show you everything. So I'll braid the hair to maybe the middle of the braid, the hair, and I will take my crochet. This is the second level. You guys know that most crochet faux locks are never long. So if you want to increase the length, this is exactly how to do it, guys. This is a tea. You have to pay me for this. So you take the crochet needle and take one of the braids, one of the, if you can braid depending on the length you want your faux locks to be. So if you want it longer, you have to braid longer, and maybe you tie the loop a little bit. You make sure the other half should be a little bit longer. So this is how it is. You just pass the faux locks on the braids. Please, explaining things is so difficult for me. I'm a teacher, but I don't know how to explain. So I think it's very clear from the video. So I had to braid it. This is the second stage. The client wanted it long, so I had to braid and add the length. So this is the next stage. I will take my crochet needle again and pass it through the faux locks and maybe insert the the braids into the faux locks. This is the third stage. Make sure you insert it inside. Just pass it through in any direction, so it shouldn't get loose with time. Just do something which just watch, guys. Me, I don't know how to explain. No, I don't know how to explain. So now you have to undo your loop, the marley hair you tied before. Make sure you don't tie it too tight, so that when it's time to undo it, you can do it with ease. This is the fourth stage. So I will go ahead and make do the next two braids, and I'll try to fast forward. Just in case, if you don't understand, please rewind to the first one and see what's up. I don't want a long video. So guys, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share with your friends and family. Don't forget, this one is a secret which I just leaked right now, so don't be selfish. Share it with others so they can know how to do theirs. Okay, and let's take this video, let's make this video 2,000 likes, and this channel 2,500 subscribers between now and February 14th, because you guys love me and I love you too. Guys, I'm done, so figure out the next stage. Just kidding, I'm going to show you guys. Remember the marley hair we kept, so this is what we are going to use to wrap the braids, whatever we did first. So we are going to wrap for the gods, right? Wrap for the gods. Make sure you wrap loose, make sure it's not too tight, because our goal is to get a flexible, not too tight kind of FAUX. So make sure you do it very loose. See, you have to wrap until you meet the crochet, and just see. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends, your family, people, and please follow me on Snapchat with the name Stacy Benz. And also, if you need a wig from Stacy Benz Wigs, go on Instagram or click the link down below that says to order a wig. If you want me to make yourself this same wig, click the link down below that says to order a wig, and we will go from there. Yes, have a nice day, people, and kisses from Stacy Benz Wigs and Stacy Benz Stacy. See you. Bye bye.